everyone, my name is Zabrina Kanasipke. I'm from 10 Science 4. The Battle of Surabaya. On 10 November, Indonesia celebrates Hari Pahlawan or Heroes Day in remembrance of the Battle of Surabaya, which started on that very date in the year 1945. The bloody battle took place because Indonesians refused to surrender their weaponry to British Army. British Army at the time was part of the Allied forces. The Divin Bung Tomo is the well-known revolutionary leader who played a very important role in this battle. It all started because a misunderstanding between British troops in Jakarta and those in Surabaya under the command of Brigadier A.W.W.S. Malabi. Brigadier Malabi already had an agreement with Governor of East Java, Mr. Surya. The agreement stated that British would not ask Indonesian troops and military to surrender their weapons. However, a British plane from Jakarta dropped leaflets all over Surabaya. The leaflet told Indonesians to do otherwise on 27 October 1945. This action angered the Indonesian troops and military leaders because they felt betrayed. On 30 October 1945, Brigadier Malabi was killed as approaching the British troops post near Jembatan Merah or Red Bridge, Surabaya. There were many reports about the deed, but it was widely believed that the brigadier was murdered by Indonesian military. Looking at this situation, Lieutenant General Sir Philip Christian broke in reinforcements to shake the city. In the early morning of 10 November 1945, British troops began to advance into Surabaya with cover from both naval and air bombardment. Although the Indonesians defeated the city heroically, the city was conquered within 3 days and the whole battle lasted for 3 weeks. In total, between 6,000 and 16,000 Indonesian dead, while casualties of the British side were about 602,000. Battle of Surabaya caused Indonesians to lose weaponry which hampered the country's independence struggle. However, the battle provoked Indonesian and international mass to rally for the country's independence, which made the battle especially important for Indonesian national revolution.